In this video I'll show you how I make ketogenic chocolate. This is a tin wall container, flexible, and I'm going to use coconut oil, macadamia nuts, cocoa powder, unsweetened, and 5 Truvia buckets. Also, I'm gonna add butter. And we start with butter. I'm not gonna add a lot of butter because it's salted. If I had unsalted butter, I would add more of it. Now I'm going to melt this butter and microwave a little bit. I'll add a little bit of... Actually, yeah. As much as it's gonna need it. Here is less than 1 inch of coconut oil. Meanwhile, I'm going to crush macadamia nuts. That's what they look like. I just want to break them a little bit. With the rolling pin. It's already warm. Butter is melted, I guess. I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla. Cocoa powder. Let's see if it integrates. I put more cocoa powder than appears reasonable. It's been an hour and chocolate solidified in the corners and still liquid inside in the middle. So what I did, I kind of scramble it to prevent sweetener from sitting on the bottom and butter sitting on top. Now I want to add more sugar, sweetener, because it doesn't look, I tried it, it doesn't taste too sweet. So now this added sweetener will be mixed in, not gonna sit on the bottom, because it's pretty thick at the moment. And this chocolate has huge amount of chocolate powder, cocoa powder. So I'm gonna add even 2 more. I don't know if cocoa powder is healthy or not, but this one has a lot of it. So I'm trying to integrate. When it solidifies, it will be easy to crack with knife. Into pieces, like any chocolate. Going back to the refrigerator.